Are you looking to renovate, restore, or upgrade your vehicle? Are you tired of searching for parts? Or are you looking for unique gifts for the auto enthusiast in your life? Well, I have the perfect solution for you. Hi, I'm Motor City Maggie, and I want to introduce you to my favorite parts supplier, Eckler's Automotive. Eckler's Automotive is an American company that has been around for over 50 years and was one of the pioneers in classic Corvette renovation and restoration. They are a serious staple in the automotive industry. Throughout the decades, Eckler's has expanded beyond Corvette into other product lines, and today covers Chevy, GM, Ford, Porsche, Mercedes, and more. The company has a 180,000 square foot warehouse in Florida, and it houses over 300,000 products, which is the largest selection of restoration, performance parts, and accessories available anywhere. Oh, that is a lot of parts. Eckler's has a family of several branches, including Rick's Camaros, Eckler's Corvette, and Max Auto Parts. Eckler's is passionate about helping auto enthusiasts and has tech specialists on hand to answer your tough questions to help make sure you're buying the right part for your vehicle. Eckler's experts will help you locate hard-to-find parts with limited availability. And since so much of their supply is already in the warehouse, 90% of orders ship within 24 hours. So you can get that build completed in time to show off to all of your frenemies at your next meetup. Eckler's Automotive strives to bring you the best quality parts at the best price, and they even have a price match guarantee. So let me show you how to navigate the website. You can shop by car line, category, or product brand. When you create an account on ecklers.com, you can store your vehicles in My Garage and organize your projects so you can keep track of what you need to help you budget. I already stored a few of my dream cars in my own virtual garage. You can check out interiors, body panels, upholstery, wheels, suspension, brakes, steering, even engines, and so much more for your make and model. Personally, I love checking out the wheel designs and the exhaust systems. Let's say you have a classic Ford Mustang. Check out all of these great parts you can source to improve or restore your pony. It's that easy. I'm a Corvette girl myself, so let's check out some of the Corvette accessories. I can select Corvette and my generation and narrow down what parts work for my vehicle. Ooh, check out this Z06 supercharged emblem. Nice. Eckler's not only has auto parts, it also has gifts. Check out these amazing gifts and apparel for the auto enthusiast in your life. They have everything from hats, bags, posters, t-shirts, and more. They even have jewelry. I mean, how cute are these gold Mustang earrings? I've never seen these before. And this watch? Yes, please. Eckler's products make the best gifts for the gearheads in your life, for birthdays, holidays, any time of year. Also, I know about 10 people off the top of my head who would love this Corvette hat. And you can even buy car care products, like all the car tools you need for your build, body and paint protection, cleaning products, organizers and storage, and emergency products like this roadside assistance package. Contents include bungee cords, flashlight, fuse kit, gloves, pliers, tape, rag, rain poncho, that's a smart idea, multi-bit screwdriver, and tire pressure gauge. Seriously, everyone should have this kit in their vehicle. And don't sleep on the literature and how-to videos on ecklers.com. There are helpful guides, manuals, DIY resources, and even factory and dealer literature. I love checking out their coffee table reads like Detroit Muscle and Hot Rod Milestones. Make sure you become a Classic Club member to get extra perks like exclusive promotions, a digital magazine subscription, and a risk-free return policy. And sign up for their email list to get notified of coupons and sales. I mean, who doesn't love a good deal, am I right? So have you worked with Eckler's? If you have, let me know what vehicle you have and what parts you bought in the comments. If you're ready to upgrade with Ecklers, make sure to use my affiliate link in the description of this video. Thanks so much for watching. Please leave this video a like and a comment, and subscribe so you don't miss any of my automotive content. Connect with me on other social platforms like Instagram and TikTok for more car videos. That's it for now, so until next time, check out Eckler's Automotive and Motor On. Bye!